Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be discussing about the object tag in HTML. So, the object tag um is used to it can be used to embed an image. Yes, a picture can be used to embed a picture. The object tag is just like a container for an external resource. Yes, the external resource can be in form of a web page, a picture, a media player, or a plugin application. So, without wasting much of your time, so let me show you how it works. So, objects. So it has its own attributes. So let's make use of this. The data. So let me import something. You can see it has already started displaying. So um, let me say images. This. So now you see I have the image here. So I can also add some property. I can change the width. I can change it to 300. Now you see it is just like the image tag, but please don't use it for an image tag. The object tag is different. It just has a little similarity between the image tag. You understand? So we can still use it for like some other things. We can still use it for video. We can still use it for a whole lot of things, but don't make use of it in place of an image tag. So I hope this helps. This is how you can make use of object tag in HTML. Thank you.